Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Tarte Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask that I got in my July 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I got this in the shade Toasted Coconut. And this was a product that Ipsy put in my bag for me. I didn't choose it, but I am really happy to get it because I love this product. However, I had already gotten this in a tiny version in a different shade from Ipsy, so they kind of gave me a repeat product, but in a different color, but that's okay with me. I tried this out in the strawberry one already, and I actually used it up. It was a very small sample, but it did last me a while, but I loved it. It was the lip product that I would keep next to my work computer. So like if I was going on to a Zoom call or if my lips were just chapped, I would put it on because it looks so beautiful and has such an amazing moisturizing texture. So I'm really excited to have another one of these. So it retails for $16 and it comes in 3 shades. So now there's just one shade that I will not have tried. But it has avocado oil, jojoba oil, and argan oil, along with hyaluronic acid and marine plant extracts. So it's super moisturizing, replenishing, smoothing. It's free from parabens, formaldehydes, phthalates, mineral oil, triclosan, and it's also vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. And I love lip masks. Like, I'm kind of a lip mask fanatic. I wear a lip mask every night and morning, but this particular lip mask I really like for during the day because it does have that tint of color, and I don't really want to wear a tint of color for nighttime. I'd rather use my clear lip masks for that. But so this one, the Toasted Coconut, smells so good. It smells exactly like toasted coconut. And I'm so excited to see how the shade's gonna look. So let's start out with the swatch. Ooh, nice. It's like a peachy, more nude type of shade, which I think should look really pretty on the lips. And look at that high shine. All right, well, my chapped lips are ready for this. So let's see how it looks. Also, I really do like this packaging, how it's just the squeezy tube, easy to apply, because of the sample size that I had of this did not have the squeezy angled applicator, so I had to squeeze it out onto my finger, which is just a little bit more of a hassle and a little bit messier. I feel like this one doesn't give as much of a tint of color, maybe because it is a little bit lighter than my natural lip color. But I love how thick of a formula it is. It's kind of like a super thick lip gloss lip balm combined. And I love the feel of it, not at all sticky and really shiny and so extremely moisturizing. My lips are not the least bit dry. They're looking smoothed out, kind of plumped up. The shine helps add to that plumped effect. I think if I were to choose a favorite shade between the Toasted Coconut and the Strawberry, I personally like the Strawberry a little bit more. I think it shows up more on my lips and it's a little bit more pink, but I still like this one. So easy to wear. I was saying how I don't really like to wear the tint at night, so I actually feel like this could work for night because it really doesn't leave much of a tint. Like for daytime, I might want a little bit more of a tint, more color to my lips than this one, but it really is just such a perfect solution to chapped lips. So I just love this whole lip mask trend. It's not even like a trend, it's just a newer type of makeup product that's now just another type of makeup product in my collection, and I'm so happy about it because I have such chapped lips all the time, but this seriously gets rid of them completely. Like, I was using that lip mask all through the winter and it is amazing. So, well, this is amazing, same lip mask. So if you've tried it out, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But if you have not tried it out and you have really chapped lips, I really think you should try out a lip mask. I think it would help so much because I know it has helped me. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.